Now start 4.3 question number 1. Okay, the question number 1 is name the angles in the given figure. Okay, so what is the meaning of angle, how we can draw it? Okay, so how we can draw an angle? Like that, like that, like that. So you have to name the angles given in this figure. Okay, so first just check how many angles are here. 1 2 3 4. 4 angles are here. Okay, you can write it like that: angle A, angle C, angle D and angle B. But the better way is, if I want to mention the name of angle A, suppose that I want to mention the name of angle A, so how I can write it? I can write it like that: angle DAB, okay, or angle BAD. These are the two possible ways to write the name of any angle. Okay, how? Just check again. DAB, if I want to write the name of angle A, okay, so DAB or BAD, okay. So the first one is BAD. You can write it angle DAB also, okay. आप इसको angle DAB भी लिख सकते हो. For angle D, they are writing angle ADC. Okay, you can write it CDA also. Okay, आप इसको कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है आप C को पहले लिखें, A को पहले लिखें. ओके, आप इसको दोनों तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. बट थिंग इज़ दैट आप जिस एंगल को मेंशन करना चाह रहे हैं वो हमेशा बीच में आना चाहिए. क्लियर? ओके, अदरवाइज़ आप इसको C को आगे लिखो या B को C को पीछे लिखो, इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In the given diagram, name the points. Okay, in that diagram you have to name some points. Which points? Just check. In the interior of angle DOE, in the interior of angle DOE, where is the angle DOE? DOE. Okay, in the interior of angle DOE, so in the interior of angle DOE there is only one point and that is A. Okay, इस एंगल के अंदर कौन सा पॉइंट है? ओनली ए. सो आंसर इज ए. इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ एंगल EOF, इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ एंगल EOF, वेयर इज द एंगल EOF? EOF इज हियर. सो EOF के बाहर कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं? A, D and C. These 3 points are in the exterior of angle EOF. Okay, so answer is A, D and C. Now part C is on angle EOF. So where is the angle EOF? EOF. EOF के ऊपर आपके कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं? ऑन मीन्स ऊपर. ऑन इसके ऊपर कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं? सो दिस एंगल इज इंक्लूडिंग बेसिकली 4 पॉइंट्स. So on the angle EOF, we have 4 points and these 4 points are E, B, O and F. Okay, angle EOF के ऊपर 4 points हैं, O, B, E, F. Clear? Okay. So now come to the third question, and that is draw rough diagrams of 2 angles such that they have 1 point in common. Okay, आपको कोई भी 2 एंगल ऐसे बनाने हैं जिनका एक कॉमन पॉइंट हो. ओके, रिमेंबर दैट ओनली 1 कॉमन पॉइंट. उन्होंने सिर्फ एक कॉमन पॉइंट की बात करी है, कॉमन लाइन, कॉमन फेस, कॉमन और किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं करी है. दे वॉन्ट ओनली 1 कॉमन पॉइंट. सो आंसर इज here. Here we have 2 angles, angle AOB, or you can say angle BOA also, angle DOC, and these 2 angles are sharing 1 common point and that is point O. Okay, so angle AOB and angle DOC is sharing one common point, and that is O. Okay, now next is 2 points in common. Okay, so now they are sharing 2 common points. So just draw one angle. Suppose that this angle is AOB. Okay, and another angle is AOC. So two angles AOB and AOC are sharing 2 common points, point O and point A. Okay, understood? So the answer of question B is this one. AOB and BOC, they are sharing 2 common points, O and B. Okay, you can write in place of A or B XYZ, LMN, PQR, anything. Okay, now part C is 3 points in common. 3 points in common. So as you can see in the diagram, there is angle BOA and BOC, and angle BOA and BOC sharing 3 common points, and that is point B, point E and point O. Part D, 4 points in common. Again same question is here, so just share 4 common points like that. Okay, and you can draw it like that also. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, and 4th one is that this one. Okay, in this chapter you can do anything, but according to the condition. Okay, it's totally up to you, but you have to write correct answer. Now come to the next point, and that is question number E, 1 ray in common. Okay, आपको 2 ऐसे एंगल बनाने हैं जिनकी एक रे कॉमन हो. So you can draw it like that also. First angle, second angle, it is A, O, B, C, and this one is a ray. Okay, so they are sharing one common ray, and that is OB. Okay, so just check the answer of question number E, that is here. COB and AOC, and they are sharing one common ray, and that is OC. Okay, clear? Okay, I hope you all are able to understand these exercises. If still you have any doubt, just comment me in comment section. Thank you.